Imagine being trapped in your car for over 15 hours, buried under 4 feet of snow during a historic blizzard. That's exactly what happened to an American soldier right before Christmas. 24-year-old Jayden was driving home to see his family in Buffalo, New York, when the infamous bomb cyclone hit. His car ran out of fuel, and with no heat, he was freezing. He recorded goodbye messages for his family, thinking he wouldn't make it. But as temperatures plunged, a desperate Jayden broke into a nearby school to find shelter. He managed to get in, but what he did next is the most incredible part of this story. He didn't just save himself. He rescued others stranded in the blizzard, bringing them into the school and saving their lives. Stay tuned for part 2 to hear how this soldier became a local hero. Don't forget to like and subscribe.